Where do we want to go? I'm all in on this game now, right? It's the calm before the storm. Fans coming into town. The Raider Nation is here. They're taking over Vegas, and it should be an unbelievable weekend. I can't wait. But the Raiders have to win the game. Raiders got to hit that test right out of the gate, which is going to be a tough one.
I'm going to make a prediction one time right now. I think the Raiders can win this game 34-28. They're catching this team decimated with injuries at the right time. This can be one of the top 5 offenses in football, but it starts with the play caller. 34-28, first game with fans in the stands. I'm ready to go. I cannot wait.
Any of the Raiders start with y'all.
There he play, fellas. We home. Love y'all boys, bro. Let's go, fam.
Try to keep up all night, fellas. Let's go, fellas, let's go!
Another season is about to begin for your Raiders.
Led by head coach John Gruden. Please welcome to the field your Las Vegas Raiders.
Nobody works harder than us, bro. We put in the work. Crazy. I'm with you all day.
Baltimore's number 12 is elected to defer their choice to the second half.
We got Bruce. We got Bruce. Hey, we got to turn up. Hold on, Bruce.
Hey, it's time to go, baby.
Yeah, let's go. Hey, that's legendary. We got it when they brought Bruce Buffer. That's legendary. Come on. Let's go, coach. Love you, coach. Yes, sir.
Third down and 13.
Crosby coming around again, and he got just enough.
That was bad, Max Crosby. Oh, my. What a defensive series for 98. Carr steps up in the pocket, fires wobbly, and a diving interception by the Ravens. That one broke down completely.
4th and 1. Gives the ball to Williams right through the middle. Forget about the first down. How about a touchdown? 35 yards for Tyson Williams.
Offensive line gives him time. Now he's in trouble. Busts out to the right to the 15. Keeps it, fires in zone, and caught for a touchdown by Brown. 14-0 with 8:52 remaining in the first half.
Come on, we here. Let's play football. Let's play football. Let's go. Let's go. Let's give him bro.
They're going to throw on 3rd and 1. Fire middle. Got him. First down. Inside the 20. And that was Waller running free that time. Here comes Jacob down the middle. Goes to the end zone. Touchdown, the Raiders. Jackpot, baby. Raiders are back in it. 14-7 now with 4:14 to go. 4th down and 1 for the Ravens. Off to the running back. No, they didn't get it. Raiders football.
It's K.J. Wright. His first big play as a member of the Raiders. And that gets us to zeros on the clock. 10 unanswered points by the Raiders.
Let's go. Straight dog fight.
They don't score, they can't win.
Hey, D-line, we rushing right now. We rushing.
3rd and 7. Final minute, 3rd quarter.
Here is Jackson. Sack. Barry. Mad Max Crosby.
We're home. That's all that matters.
Every time, bro, you two, that's perfect communication.
4 = 1. They don't allow y'all to rush on that defense. That's why I love being a Raider. Hey, get ready. Me and you back in.
Seems left. Gives the handoff. Comes the right hit and thrown for it. Ngakwe's best play of the game. So the former Raven comes through with his best play.
I like the way we flying though. I see a lot of black jerseys getting to the ball.
Second down and 6. Jackson keeps it, and he's short of the first down. Ball comes out. Ball comes out. Raiders say they've got it. They do. Raiders recover it, and they are in Raven territory.
We're going to score. We're going to score. We will score. And it's a ball, hey, and it's really a game.
Here's Jacobs. Hole on the right side. Cut to the 10. 5. Jackpot, baby. Vegas touchdown. Yeah.
Tied at 17. 6:18 to play in the fourth quarter. It's Murray. Murray just signed on Friday into the end zone for a touchdown.
4 minutes remaining in the fourth quarter. Carr backing up to the gun. Waiting. Got deep man. Got Ruggs open on the right. Yes. Ruggs is to the 10-yard line. Yes, big play from Ruggs that time on 3rd down and 10. Takes a snap. Fires on the cross. Spin. Jackpot, baby. Vegas touchdown. Carr to Darren Waller. The city of Las Vegas loves the National Football League. What a night they're having here with fans in Allegiant for the first time. Monday Night Football here. And they are ready for some more football. 3:44, tied at 24. The towels are waving again. It has been a dandy. This will be a 47-yarder. 47-yarder for Justin Tucker. Got it. Dead on, Mr. Automatic. 27-24, and the Raiders have 37 seconds. 37 seconds.
37 seconds and no timeouts.
Hey, don't be surprised if we went to overtime.
Carr steps up, fires middle, got it, they gotta hurry, the clock is moving. There's Carr, backing up, steps up, gonna fire to the right side, grabs it, they gotta hurry, ball's at the 36-yard line, they gotta hurry, they gotta give Carlson a chance. Here comes Daniel Carlson to see if he can send this game to overtime. Good snap, good hold, kick on its way, yes, baby, we're tied!
4 quarters are not enough to decide it. 27-27 going to overtime.
Now here we go. Taps it now. Carr's back up. Goes way back, trying to has to check it down. Out of bounds. Renfro down the sideline. Still going. Across the 40-yard line. I thought for sure he was out of bounds.
3rd and 4. See if it's 3rd and Renfro. Throwing that way, and it is Edwards. Touchdown. Got it. What a great play. And that's the ball game.
Jackpot, baby. Raiders win. Jackpot. Yeah, baby. Edwards. Holy mackerel. What a play. Edwards is down, and it's going to depend on where they spot it. This is going to get spotted at the 2-inch line, I'm almost certain.
After review, the runner was short of the goal line with the ball at the 1-yard line.
3rd down from outside the 5. Stands in the pocket, fires, deflected high, intercepted. Intercepted by the Ravens in the end zone.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, mercy, my. And so now the Ravens will take over on their own 20-yard line, giving Lamar Jackson a chance here with 6:13 remaining in overtime.
37. Jackson trying to get out, can't do it. He's taken down and it's out.
Raiders say they've got it. Raiders say they've recovered it. Oh, Nassib was in there. He sacked him. Carl Nassib with the sack. Raiders football at the Ravens 27. Now a field goal wins this game, okay? Now the question is, you are in field goal range right now for Daniel Carlson, so warm him up.
Ravens are going to blitz.
Down and 14.
Ravens are going to
You
blitz.
send Derek Carr back in. Here they come. Blitz is picked up. Jones is open. Jackpot, baby! Vegas touchdown. This time, no doubt. Put it in the W column, baby. This one's over. And a baby. Fans are invited, and the Raiders treat them to an instant classic.